Yeah. Mr. Tony's laying down on the job. No live shrimp.
No live shrimp, y'all. They're laying down, doing maintenance work.
I mean, the Wrigley's just got live shrimp.
Yeah, the guy went and caught some across the river.
Did he?
He ain't got that much going on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So when are we going to have shrimp again? What's your estimation?
I'd say April.
April?
Yeah, I'd say April. Depends on the wind, depends on the river, you know, it's a lot of factors. You know, but they had a good crop of shrimp that got out, so some of them come back, you know what I'm saying?
You had a good run on them for a while, man.
Right, oh yeah.
All right, folks, the morning ritual. They're going to be diving here. There's all the comicrons. They're going to pop them wings back and boop, start diving. Ain't nobody here. The difference when the fish are biting, the fish ain't biting. With all the seagulls are diving around here. They ain't diving yet. Looking good though. Okay, we got a northeast wind or east wind blowing. Wind picked up pretty strong. There's the old flag over there. I don't know if you can see that. Folks, Rudy's got one.
Out by those rocks, boss, is where he is.
Oh,
shit. Might be a little red or something, huh? Yeah, a little red, huh? Oh, big trout. Big trout.
Oh yeah, a little healthy one. A little healthy one, baby. Alright folks, we're back in the Mr. Go. You can see the water's down about a foot. More than that, but I mean this tide's down about a foot. You can see by the coloration of the rocks. We caught one here, one little bitty one. Missed two. Had some action. Alright, there we go, folks. Just talk about hooking up. Big Rudy got one.
Fishing at ATV. SP57. Oh, we got a flounder.
Flounder.
Nice flounder.
Whoop, whoop. Alright, folks. There's my fish of the day right there, baby. Woo-hoo. Makes my day. Them pliers are a must, folks. When you're fishing with these lures, they are. Alright, folks. Been a while, like the man said.
Snagging, that's why. Snag.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Little keep it up.
There we go, folks. That's what it's all about. Oh, wait. It's kind of hard to do this one. Oh, man. Oh. Coming up now. Alright, folks. Another little ready. He's hooked up front, he's hooked up. Going for a sleigh rod.
Nice one.
Shit, get one of that there.
Hold on. Alright.
Alright, folks, we got another red here.
Oh yeah, keep.
His net.
Got it. I'm hooked into another one here. Looks like a decent. Uh-oh. This one got an attitude. This one got an attitude. He saw the boat. He saw the boat, boss. Come here, man. Come on. Come on.
Don't let him rip you, Rudy.
There he is.
Pretty one, Bo. Pretty. Pretty one, Bo. Pretty one. All right, folks, that's Team JoJo's Big John right there with his little boat he's got here.
Where'd you get that bathtub at?
There you go, folks. That's the catch of the day there. Had a good time. Talk about a beautiful day, folks. Got out here, it's 35 degrees. But it's pretty right now. I still have a bunch of clothes on. But the wind died down, sun's up high. Feeling good, we're heading in. We just ran into John. Tony working on his boat over there. Said it'd be April before you get any more shrimp over here. I asked him about the other guys got them.
What's that?
Regulars and them got them, but
We got a couple, yeah.